Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again for another great unboxing video. I got some Cesun products for you today. You're going to love this. And guess what? I not only have one, two, but three products for you today. Cesun has some nice, bougie trash cans. We're going to start first with this one right here, the step trash can. This is a trash can that you can use for your office. Box this first. Yes, sir. This right here is a 1.6 gallon, 6 liter trash can. Nicely built. Got a nice little foot pad down the bottom. It's perfect for tight spaces. It's nice and sleek. I got the white one right here, but they have different colors, so make sure you check them out. You can get green, pink, black, whatever color you want, they got it. It's perfect for waste management. Let's take a look on the inside of this thing. This thing right here is about 11.2 inches tall. The lid is about 10 inches. And look, all the lids are like soft closing too. Oh yeah, we've got good reviews. Cesun. Make sure you guys definitely, link will be in the description. Check this out. Let's take this plastic off right here. It's got an inner container there, so you don't just put the waste inside the main unit. Get it all stanky and smelly. You can actually take the inner unit out, and I like it because of the soft closing. Look, you can just take this out. All your waste are in there. You just empty that right out. Stainless steel trash can, definitely nice. White stainless steel at that, so that's perfect. I love it. Easy to clean, fingerprint proof, so you can't get fingers all over. So this one, definitely check it out. This would be like your little office trash can, little bathroom. Either one you want to do. This could be your bathroom trash can. Let's open up the next one here. The next one we got here. Another nice trash can right here. This one right here is going to be another stainless steel trash can. Real nice. It's 2.1 gallons. Nice. You could put this either in your bathroom or you could put it in your office. One thing I like about this particular one is that it's a motion. The lid comes up just by you waving in front of it. You open it up. See, we're going to show you what's inside. Nice little top. You just put your bag in there and it holds it in. Nice little safety feature that holds the ring there. So you put your bag on that, close it up, and this is a motion trash can too. You use it for your office or for your house. So look at the button right there. You can manually open it and close it, or you can get let's go get 4 AA batteries. Now I'm gonna show you how the motion works. Put your 4 AA batteries in here, just like that, real easy. Then you close it up, put that on top. And then once you do that, let's get up close and personal with this thing. Ooh, boy, I like that. Look, soft closing. Cesun did it again. Look, you just wave in front of it and it comes up. You can manually close it, or you can just wave in front of it and then it goes up just like that. Nice. You don't even have to touch the trash can until you're ready to empty it out. I like that. That's real nice, real sleek. Oh yeah, this might be my favorite right here, but let's get to the big boy. This right here is gonna be the kitchen trash can. Yes, sir. Y'all already know. This is the one. This right here is with green. Green recycling feels effortless. Got dual bands and a push lid. Smart, simple, easy as fun. This thing is stainless steel. This thing, God almighty, this thing looking real nice. This thing is it comes with a 1-year warranty too on it. If you like I said, if you want to be called bougie, this is where it's gonna begin right here. You got an easy recycle little top here. You got a little kick button here. Look at this. Look how sleek it is. This thing feels good, real good. You can lock. Just stay open. The top 8 gallons. You got 2 8-gallon cans inside there. right here. Nice recycle bin. You can separate your recycling efforts right here. This recycle bin is great. So you can separate your cans, from your bottles, your foods, your plastic. You can put waste on one side, recycle on the other side. It's great. It's awesome. Man, I love this stainless steel, man. This thing is nice. It's real nice. Let's go and show you what's on the inside of this baby. Check it out. You see right there, you see green for recycle. And then you can have your other side. So I think you can do it either way. You can have two different sides of recycle, if you want, or you can have one side as regular trash and then the green side as recycle, however you want to do it. Each one has its own individual container. You can just lift right up. Of course, you put your bag in there. So once you lift it out, your bag will be in there. So it's easy to clean. You don't have to get real messy. You're not just throwing food into the trash can. So this is real nice. Both of them has the lid. So we do a lot of recycling. So that's big enough right there. 8 gallons of recycle. Green by Cesun, man. This thing is awesome, man. You guys really did it. I like this. It's got the little lid right there. So you can even just throw your bottles or whatever's in there. Boom. Put it right in there. You could probably even teach. You've got a dog, a tall dog. You could probably teach a dog to pick up a bottle or something and put it right inside there. Nice little soft open, foot open right there. And same thing as the other two. It's got the soft closing lid. I really like that, man. This thing is awesome. Man, this thing is steel, man. Here's like the office. We're putting this one in the office, the little foot trash can. We're putting that in the office. So right next to the desk. And one of my favorites, the motion trash can. We're gonna put that in right here in the bathroom. Right here. I just can't stop playing with this thing, man. Look, ooh, I even used my foot. Y'all saw that? I used my foot. You can even use your foot to open it. It closes by itself after a couple seconds. But watch this. Let me do it again. Ooh, yeah, I used my foot to open. Man, this thing is fun. I like it. And the kitchen trash can we're gonna put out a kitchen right here. It's perfect. It's a perfect spot for it, right next to an electrical outlet, right next to our island. So we're gonna put it right there. Big boy. We're gonna keep our recycling program going. And I love soft lid. Hey, Cesun, man, y'all really did it. Hey, make sure y'all check out the link in the description for all three of these products, man. Cesun, they definitely the top notch in houseware. So if you like I said, this is for the bougie, this is for the bougie people. Make them mad. They wanna call you bougie. You give them something to call you bougie for. Link in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next one.